Okay, hello everyone. So this is just a quick demonstration of how to make slides in Google Slides. Google Slides is a little bit like PowerPoint, but even easier. So what we're going to do is go to your Gmail account. You see Gmail here. Let me just point to it. See Gmail here. So go to your Gmail account. That's your Momoyama email address. And over here on the right-hand side, you'll see 9 little dots. Can you see those? Now, if you click on those dots, I'll just do it now, you'll get a list of things here. You might have to scroll down a little bit, or you might not. But what we're wanting to find is these slides here. So you click on slides, just like that, and that takes you into the program called Slides. Now, all you do is click on a blank new presentation. You can use one of these templates if you want. There's quite a few of them there. There's some more if you click there. Oops, there isn't any more if you click there. So you can choose one of these templates, or you can click blank file. That means new file. So if you click there, you get this. And all you have to do now is to type in this area. So you go here and you type, for example, my home town. Oops. My home town. And you can put a subtitle in if you want. You can put your name as the subtitle. So I'll put Michael Carroll. And then that's my first slide. Okay, now if you want to make what you do, you need to make another slide. So you click on this where it says plus, and you get another slide. You can change the type of slides that they are. You could have this kind of slide if you want. You could have this kind. You can change, we'll go back to this one actually. You can change the size of these boxes if you want to make them smaller or bigger. You can get rid of them completely if you want and start again. If we do that, we should get rid of it. Now what I'm going to do is, I've already prepared a little bit of this slide. So I want to have some photographs here and then some text on this side. So I'm going to put in some little boxes here. If I can find them. I'm just going to put a box here. Oops, that didn't work. Maybe we don't need to do that. So I'm going to go and take this photograph. It's just, this happens to be in Google Slides, but it doesn't have to be. It could be anywhere. So I'm going to copy that back to our slide here, and I'm going to put it in there. Now I can move that slide if I want. I can make it bigger or smaller, but it's actually about the size that I want already. So I'm going to have that there, and I'm going to just move that so it's just in the right place. And I've got another picture here, this one. Oops, didn't mean to take that away. So I'm going to put that next to the first picture and just move it over a little bit. And I've got another picture here that I want. Now, I'm taking these from another slides, but you don't need to. These could be from anywhere you want. So for example, this photograph I just got from the internet, and the same with this one. This one I got from my photograph album. This is a photograph that I took of somewhere in Kyoto. Now, what I want to put here is some text. So I'm going to put a box like this, and just make a text box here. Text means writing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to write something in here. And what I'm going to write, where's my hometown? Where's my hometown? Now that's a bit different from your title, but that's because, as you'll see when I show you my presentation later, the question for me, where's your hometown, is a bit difficult because I've lived in many different cities in my life. So I called my presentation, where's my hometown? But yours will probably be just called my hometown. Now, what I'm going to do now is click on the box and then move my cursor inside and select those words because they're a little bit too small at the moment. So I'm going to make those words bigger. And I do that by first clicking here and on these three little dots here. And then when I do that, I get this menu that comes up with lots of different things that I can do. Now, first, I'm going to click, where are we? I'm going to make the writing much bigger than that. I'm going to put it up to 36, maybe even bigger than that. Maybe I'll go to 48. Okay, and I'm going to change the font of that. At the moment it's Arial, and I'm going to change it, in my case, to, where are we? I think I'll do it Comic Sans, because that looks quite nice to me. Now, underneath that, I'm going to put my cursor at the end so that it's not selected. Do Enter key a couple of times and write my name. I'm going to put my name a bit smaller than the other one. So I'm going to turn that down to, let's say, 30. Okay. So that's my first slide. Now, I'm not going to make more slides, but if you want to, you just click here for a new slide. If you click on that little arrow there, you can change the type of slide that you want. So you can choose one like this with a caption at the bottom, with some writing down here, or you could choose one with a big box here for maybe a photograph or something. So you can choose what kind of slide you want. And you just do the same as I did here. You go to your second slide, find a picture that you want. I've got a few pictures here. For example, I can take this picture and put it into here like that. If I wanted to, I could just go to any internet page. For example, let's see, if I wanted to put a picture of a soccer player, just type soccer player into Google, click on images, take that picture. Now, all I did was I clicked on that picture, then I moved to this picture and I right click. That means I click with the right side of the mouse and copy image. Copy image, go back to my PowerPoint, it was this one here, and just paste that image in there. And then it's a bit big for my slide at the moment, so I can make it a bit smaller. Bring that down there. Maybe bring that over there. Actually, one thing that I shouldn't have done there was, oh, what have I done? Let's get rid of that. What I should do, actually, if I'm putting a big picture in, is get rid of that. So I'll select that and then click get rid of it. Here, I'll make this the size of the whole window, and then I can fit my photograph inside there. Okay, and I've got my photograph. Now I could write a little bit more text on the side here. Okay, so that's all you need to do. You need to have at least 4 pictures. That means including your first slide here, your title, you need 5 slides. When you've finished, click up here at the where you've got the title, and we've got my hometown. Okay, that's because I already wrote my hometown at the beginning. So all I needed to do was click there, and it took the title that I'd already written in the first slide. So I finished my slide, and now I need to share it. So you click on this yellow box here where it says share, and I want you to enter my email address. It's carol@andrew.ac.jp. Now, there's one important thing that I forgot to tell you. That's okay as it is, but if I get many files that all say my hometown, I won't know which one is yours. So what I want you to do is in the title of your slides, write your name, Michael. Just your first name is okay for most of you. There's 2 people in the class called Hiori, I think, but it doesn't matter. I'll work out which is yours. So you can just put your first name. You can put your second name if you want. So make sure you've got your name in the title. Go to share. Type my address. This carol@andrew.ac.jp. And that's all you need to do. And then just click send like that, and it will be sent and shared to me. I will get an email. Let's see if that's happened now. I'll get an email showing me the file, and my email will say this: Carol@Andrew, that's me because I sent it to myself, but it will say your email address has invited you to edit the following presentation, Michael, my hometown. And I click on there, and then I'll be able to see your slides. Okay, that's all there is to it. If you have any problems doing it, you can contact me at any time. Email me or contact me through Moodle. Okay, good luck. See you later.